Welcome to,
The hydrangea house.
well, we knocked the hydrangea house down.
Yeah, but this can still be the hydrangea house, no?
Ready?
Oh, he left.
Oh, I wonder who. We're at the book of Arr! We be looking for a house to build.
Oh, there's Jay Ponte. Can I go answer him?
No.
Hey, Jay.
There's cocks everywhere, Jay. Watch out.
I wish I was riding around with you guys.
We're in a cockfight right now.
If I had a kitchen plan, you could be free to hang out with us, Jay, but I don't.
I know.
I got my
I'm
money
working
on La Flama Blanca right now.
it. What?
La Flama Blanca, that's my cock's name. He fights. He's the the white flame.
Oh my god.
No. No. No.